Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we have something a little bit different. We have a Honda Civic that's made by Maisto. Ordinary driver, ordinary car, what do you want to call it. As you can see, its bottom is quite chilled out and has some super gold, but that was from my mistake from trying to drill into the base. Please don't try to drill in the plastic if you don't know how. Off camera, I take a 5-blade screwdriver to it to separate the base from the casting. It takes a little bit of work, but I eventually get it apart. I do have to reattach the base with some super glue at the end. One more thing, please do not forget to wear your gloves, goggles, and mask. Trust me, you don't want to get the spray remover on the skin or in your mouth or in your eyes. Trust me, you do not. And you can just get this paint remover at any hardware store. I forget what it's called though. And after all the paint remover comes off, there's still a little bit left on the costume. So I have to take a wire weld to it. Eventually, I have to get it shined up with another wire wheel brush. And what I do is just put some primer on it. This is Rust-Oleum 2X gloss black primer. And after all the primer goes on, there's just a little bit of royal blue. I'll probably do some combination blue and black later on. This is going to be relatively short, but after I put all the base and the wheels on and the casting and everything, and after I get my screwdriver, of course it's a 5-blade screwdriver, of course, and just off camera I have to get the wheels back in the base. It's not that easy, but eventually I do, and it is all done and ready to roll.